In about a month, Apple will unveil the iPhone 15 series. As we approach the announcement, leakers are giving us a clear picture of what to expect from these phones. On the Korean blog, Never User Jux1122 shared several tidbits about the iPhone 15 prospects. We show how the little details will make this iPhone very different from the iPhone 14 Pro. For example, the iPhone 15 Pro will be thicker than the iPhone 14 Pro from 7.85 mm to 8.24 mm. Although the new model will be lighter as it will jump from 206 gram to 180 to 190 gram depending on the sample. The rear camera module was will also be different as it's said to increase in size. In addition, the user also reassured us that we should expect thinner bezels. Current rumors say 1.55 mm, a titanium body, which will make the Pro phones lighter and no blue color. As in the past years, Apple has given us a blue option for the iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro. Beside these specs, user Lipilipsy and at John 00111235 via MacRumors shared alleged part of the USB-C modules of the iPhone 15, 15 Plus and 15 Pro Max. Although these parts might not mean much, it's widely expected that this new generation of iPhone will feature a USB-C port. Beside reports from Bloomberg Smart, German analyst Ming Chi Kuo and Mod Apple has also said it would switch the iPhone to USB-C to comply with EU law requiring all smartphone makers to offer the same standard by 2024. Also, rumor believe the USB-C port will be limited, as Apple would require a made-for iPhone accessory for fast charging and transferring data. That said, while all USB-C port might work with iPhone 15, user might need to buy certified cables to unlock these technology benefits. In addition, Apple might offer different USB-C ports for regular and Pro models, as the basic models would get a slower port while the Pro models could get Thunderbolt speeds with improved technology. BGR will keep following the latest rumor as Apple is ready to announce the iPhone 15 by middle of the September. Everything we know about it you can learn below. Do not miss iPhone 15. Everything we know so far. The post new iPhone 15 leaks made detailed new specs and shows USB-C port for the first time appear first on the BGR. Today's top deal: Apple 15-inch MacBook Air M2 hits new all-time low at $200 off. Trending right now. If you are loving Suits on Netflix, here are three more legal dramas to check out next. Apple's sweetheart deal will turn the iPhone 15 Pro into nightmare for Android. Google would not let you turn off its annoying sign in pop-ups. Here what to do. New iPhone 15 leaks may detail new specs and show USB-C port for the first time. Originally appeared on BGR on Tuesday 8 August 2023 at 8651 EDT. Please see our terms for use of feeds. For example, the iPhone 15 Pro will thicker than the iPhone 14 Pro from the 7.8 to 8.24 mm. Although the model will be lighter as it will jump from 206 to 180 to 90 gram. Depending on sample, the rear camera module will also be different as it's set to increase in size. In addition, the user also reassure us that we should expect thinner bezels. Current rumors say 1.55 mm titanium body which will make the Pro phones lighter and no blur color. No blue color as in the past years. Apple has given us a blue option for the iPhone 12 Pro and 13 Pro Max.